Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to stream the responses. I'll show you the example. So if you look at the screen, right, it's writing at the moment. So it's streaming the response instead of waiting for a whole response to form and send it out to us. So this is what we are going to do. Let me walk you through the code and we'll come and just test it again. It's pretty easy. So if you go to the code, so this is what we have in the code. I cleaned up, I created a new branch for stream just to make it easy to understand. So let's see what I changed. Let's go to this one. Nothing changed here. This is as usual that we have done. So this is the endpoint we created. So the only thing that differed is the use of flux. So this is reactive way of programming. If we go to the response, so you are returning the flux. Before it was just string, now you just added flux string, and then instead of calling, you are streaming it and then the content. There's not much difference, right? Let me walk you through again. Through controller, everything is similar. I did the path variable, nothing changed, only the return type is flux string. Then we go to the normal call to the service. So here return type is flux. Then what changed is the stream. Instead of call, we used to have call before, right? For streaming we just use stream method, that's all. And in terms of client, where we configure client, nothing changed. This is as usual. That's all the changes we needed. So let me restart this one. Check it here, it says it's running. So let me go to the browser again. So this was the question we asked earlier. Let me do something different. Tell me a story with 1,000 lines. So let's see, just so you can see more streaming happen. So this is trying to make the call. So look at this. Now this is going to go until you have 1,000 lines. Title: The Starfish and the Fisherman in a small coastal town lived a kind heart. It generated the story. Now this is going to generate until you have 1,000 lines. So the only difference we did for streaming the response was to add the flux, nothing more. It's pretty easy. Try it out. That's all for today.